everyone. I hope you're all doing well and having a good day. I have my AIA beauty bundle, and this is the American Influencer beauty bundle. This one was supposed to be a really good one. I gave all of you in my community tab a little sneak peek at what's in this wonderful box. And before we get into it, I'll give you a little bit of info on this box. It is a bi-monthly box that is $34 a bi-monthly charge. US shipping is free, I do believe. And the beauty bundle is like I said, a bi-monthly box giving you access to influencer brands and products. Each bundle features a new influencer. They say they don't repeat. I have not seen a repeat yet. I have not been getting this one for years and years and years. Get 5 to 6 full-size beauty products, makeup, skincare, hair care, which we all know we get the hair care. Every bundle is valued at least $100 or more, and they do donate $1 from each box purchase to their charity. And this is the June. That was a good way to combine June and July box. Oh my, here we go. It's going to be that kind of day. This is what it looks like. Then we'll just, you don't get too much else of a sneak peek right there with the card. Card is beautiful this month. And this is full of Farmacy. So excited for this one. Love it. I figured if we get another hair care box, I was going to either skip it, pause it, cancel it, and rejoin. No more hair care. I'm done. I have enough hair care to last me 5 years. So this was supposed to be a really good one. Farmacy is a great brand, and I do have quite a few products and enjoy them very much. So we have 2 of these, and oops, I can hold these up. And these are the coconut sheet masks. They say $12. I would assume for both of these, $6 a piece. That might be pushing it a little bit, but these feel nice and thick. So I don't think I've ever tried one of their masks, and I have a boatload of sheet masks. I don't think I've ever tried theirs. Supercharged to deliver intense moisture with coconut water. These face masks promote a fresh, more radiant, healthy looking glow in just 15 minutes. There's hyaluronic acid and natural cucumber extract to soothe dry skin. Oh, my skin is so dry. Love that. The next one, which I do believe I have had in the past. I'm not sure if I've had the whipped greens. I don't think I've had this one now that I think about it. Whipped greens. This is $28. This is a soap-free, oil-free, and pH-balanced foaming face cleanser that cleans pores and draws out dirt, oil, and impurities without over-stripping. I don't think I've had this. I think I've had something else. Let's see, a lot of things could be green. And what is this? Oh, and they put a little sample in there. Like a cleansing balm. A little tiny thing inside. Ooh, look at this. Nice. Happy to have it. Happy to have it. Let's get this all back in there. I'm not worried about closing boxes. $28. I would believe it. Farmacy is a little on the pricey side, but that's, you know, I think that this is a phenomenal brand. And this is the Melt Away Cleansing Balm, Green Clean. I don't know if it was the same. Is that the same as this? Let's just get... Yeah, that's looks like it's the same sample of that in here. Green Clean. Okay, so that's what it looks like. This is $22. Our best-selling award-winning makeup remover and face cleanser in one that instantly melts virtually all makeup. All makeup. I think I could read even with glasses on. Removes impurities and gently cleanses. Leaves skin hydrated and silky smooth. Let's see if we have. There is a little safety thing. It smells like cucumber, like aloe. I wonder what's really in there. I'd have to read that. And that smells really good for a cleanser. Oh, and it has a little scoop. Love that. Love when they give that, because I don't like putting my fingers in anything like that. I have several that I just keep cleaning. And I keep them in my medicine cabinet in my bathroom. This way, when I need one, I can just grab it. So that's $22. Let's see what the little one is. Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. This is expensive, $45. Super hydrating vitamin C rich eye cream that brightens and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. Delivers instant radiance to the eye area. Can I get this open? There we go. This is going to be tiny. I think I've tried this. I know it was something that was cherry. Let's see. These little tabs off. No real scent right there, so that's what that looks like. That's pretty full. There's no little tiny pocket, but that's not a big deal. Pretty full. Happy to have that too. $45. And then the very last product, I think this might be what I've had in the past. The Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. And I do like this because I do prefer a gel or like an aqua bomb, like a water moisturizer. So this is $38. This is an oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients. Oh my God, I cannot get this open. I can't. Let's see. I don't want to trash the box. Let's see if I can get it open using the scissors. Sometimes you can get them underneath there. Phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. That's tough to eat though, the way they're... there we go. I don't want to trash the box because I like to keep things in the box until I can fully read. This I shouldn't worry about because I've used this before. So that's what this looks like. $38. This is very nice. Like I said, I've used this before. I don't know if we got a big one like this or like a smaller one. Ooh. That's a lot. See, is that going to settle? And this just smells clean. That's what that looks like. I don't want to get that all over. I don't like to waste an ounce of this stuff until it hits my face. So that is everything in the bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4. So technically 5 because I treat that as one. So we have 5 wonderful products. Of course, I don't have my phone here. Let me pause this, get my phone, and I'll quick give you the value. Okay, have my phone. Just real fast, we'll add this up. And this way we can see what the value is. Oh, it's clearly over $100. That's not a thing. I don't know why my phone is not opening today. Okay. 45, 38, 22, 28, and 12. $145. There it is, folks. $145 worth of value for $34. This is a great box. When it's not hair care, I'm tired of all the shampoo and conditioner. I like that this is a full skincare box. This is everything that I received. And that's why I posted a little sneak peek on my community tab. If I see boxes like this or the Target boxes, or even when Walmart, you just have to sign up for. If I see anything mystery box wise that is really any good, because some of them I just like, I know Gerard Cosmetics has mystery box that's for, I don't know if it was for Pride Month. I'm not sure what theirs are. I think they were $40, but it was all lipstick. And just, I'm not going to get a box that's all lip products. That's ridiculous. I don't need them. So if you're interested in that, I know Gerard, I think they were still available as of yesterday, maybe like over the weekend. I think I saw them still available. I don't know if they still are. And I know on the mystery box stuff, you can't use any kind of like discount codes or anything on Gerard Cosmetics. But so that is my AIA Beauty, and this is the June-July box. Happy to have this. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today it is so hot here and so humid. It is already 86 degrees. It's early. It's not even like late in the day. And our humidity is 60%. It just feels like, I had the dogs out, like you step out and it just slams you in the face. Like it just takes all the air out of your lungs. It's so hot. And even though 86 is not hot, but with the high humidity, 60% is pretty high. It just seems like it sucks all the air right out. And you can just feel it pulling the moisture out of your skin. It's horrible. I mean, 86 is still low considering, but sometimes we get up into the 90s, like with not 80, 90% humidity. You can't even go outside. I don't plan on going out today. I was going to go to the post office. That's going to wait. I think later in the week we are going to cool down a little bit into the 70s, and then I'll venture out. I am not going out there today. I was going to barbecue. I'm like, nope, wait for a different night's dinner. I'm not doing it tonight. So enjoy your day, everyone, and I'll see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.